SMTconnect 2024 is coming soon, and it's the right time that I would like to invite all of you personally. Essemtec will welcome you in the Hall 4, booth 209. Our engineering team and sales team will showcase live specific application and product. We will be able also to talk with you additional needs to address the different segments where Essemtec can provide adequate solutions. If you want to know more, feel free to contact me personally. It will be my pleasure to give you additional information and to provide you a personal invitation for this magnifique event.